Ako po si Russell Arpuno at ituturo ko po sa inyo ang occupational health and safety. Una, always ground or discharge yourself before touching any part of computer. Pangalawa, do not work alone so that there's someone who can take care of you in case accident or emergency. 3. Be careful with the tools that may cause short circuit. 4. Always pull the cable connector on the handle and not on the cable itself. 5. Use only rubber shoes when standing on the ground or in concrete floor. 6. Make sure that pins are properly aligned when connecting a cable connector. 7. Always power off and unplug the computer before working on it. 8. Take away any liquid such as mineral water or soft drinks near your working area or near computer. 9. Contingency measure during workplace accident, fire, and other emergency are recognized. 10. Personal protective equipment is correctly used in accordance with organization, procedures, and practice.